Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove autofill emails on Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize and manage all aspects of your browser, including privacy features and stored data. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Privacy and Security from this list. This section is where Chrome stores all the controls related to your browsing data, cookies, and autofill information, making it the central hub for managing what Chrome remembers about your browsing habits. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find an option called Delete Browsing Data. Click on it to proceed. This is where you can selectively remove different types of data that Chrome has stored over time, giving you precise control over what information you want to clear. Now you'll see a window with several checkboxes for different types of data. First, uncheck the Browsing History option if it's selected. This ensures that your browsing history remains intact while you clear other specific data types. Next, click on Show More to reveal additional data types that aren't immediately visible. This expands the list to show you more granular options for clearing stored information. From the expanded list, check the checkbox next to Autofill Form Data. This is the key step that will remove all the saved email addresses and other form information that Chrome has been storing. Additionally, check the checkbox for site settings as well. This ensures that any site-specific preferences related to autofill are also cleared. Finally, click the Delete Data button. Chrome will now process your request and remove all the autofill email addresses and related data you selected. You've successfully cleared those annoying autofill emails from Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.